G'day, my name's John Barry. Thanks for joining me in the JB Factor. Welcome to this tutorial on uncentered pop-up and dialog boxes in Premiere Pro. This particular thing has been bothering me for a long time, where pop-ups and dialog boxes come into the top left corner. I've found the fix. There is a link in the description that goes to the Adobe Community page where the answer is. I'll show you how I've gone and fixed it on my version of Premiere Pro in Windows 10. Let's take a look at what I'm doing here. So let me show you the problem that I've been having. Notice in the top left there, that open dialog box is in the top left. Now, if I was to save, let's say, you can see there up in the top left, it keeps popping up in the top left and it drives me crazy. Even when I put it into the middle again, it doesn't remember it every time I do save. It drives me nuts. Here's the link. And basically this is where you need to go. So that preferences file allows me to delete it and then override it. Now I've copied and I'm going to paste that preferences file. Now obviously I'm not using version 12, so I'm just going to go to Premiere Pro. 14 is what I'm on. I found the right folder. There's the XML preferences, and I'm going to permanently delete it. Okay, now I'm going to relaunch Premiere, and it's going to rebuild that XML as though it was freshly installed on my machine. Let's open up the project. Oh, there we go. Open project was in the middle. It's already done the job, I think. Let's save works in the right place. Okay, gain. Yes. So I'm just going to use some keyboard shortcuts here to get through some things. Speed. Yes, that comes up in the middle too. I'm just going to see if playing around with this UI means that it does bad things. I don't know, just try some other things to see if it can break it. And using my keyboard shortcut to open preferences, that is opening in the middle as well. And I'll try one more here with the overlay settings, and that's come up in the middle too. I can't tell you how long this has been bothering me for, and now it's fixed. Oh, thank goodness. Please let me know how you go. This is the JB Factor. My name's John Barry. Ciao for now.